Mla Umroi uba George V. Lingdo hakar pesawat terik urempang arhaja arpuar ulapan pau ke Kmen baik Kam Khaii Dewi Ong Beain ke Jela Meghalaya la Tuklar da High Court habai klan bikla pathai khubor uba Lingdo ulai thu ba High Court kla pathai ke Chief Secretary jong ke Jela Meghalaya ba yak DGP ba lejurep ikijaka badun pha yak kai phot.
It is about time that the Honorable High Court stepped in, because the other day I could see a statement that I think from the NPP side, the president of the NPP had said, and the Honorable MP from Rajasabha had said, that the EITC should file an FIR. Now, see, as leaders, it is our job to fulfill our constitutional mandate to highlight the plight and the problems that are plaguing the state. Now, if we start filing FIR, then what has happened then to the FIRs that have been filed by the people? And what have happened to the so moto FIRs that have been filed under the MMDR Act against the illegal transportation of coal? So I think the government is trying to cover all these things, and all these illegalities that have been happening across the state all these past few years since the new dispensation has taken over. So I think I would like to thank the Honorable High Court for this timely intervention. People feel that justice should be brought. People feel that this high level and low level talk that is happening across the town should be investigated, and not only illegalities on coal mining and coal transportation. I feel illegalities on money laundering also should be investigated into.
Uba George ulapan pauru ba menta baru kinong terai kamla jong kila late ban peneso ele jong berkeseng NPP bar kumta ki paj ba ki deban tip yano on jail.
I think all the businessmen have now come together and joined the NPP. All the business houses have joined the NPP. So that is for you to read who the business houses are. Now, if people feel that businessmen should join politics and rule the state, then it's up to them. But then, as leaders who have tried to serve the state and show the correct way and the rightful manner in which the state should be governed, I think it is about time for the people to wake up and to see that all the birds of a feather are flocking together.